Hi guys, myself Rohit and you're watching Mobile Search India. So today in this video we're gonna unbox a Vivo V20 series, which was a sunrise melody something. The color I don't remember that much, big name, and actually the color is very good, which was absolutely good. And the thing is, I'm not satisfied with this Vivo V series, but right now the Vivo V20 is gonna satisfy my need. I don't think so, but still, let's get into this video and check whether this Vivo V20 is competition for particular device, right? It should be a competition for particular device at that price range of 27,999. So at that price range, it's OnePlus Nord, which is particularly available like 8GB and 128GB variant and 12GB and 256GB variant. At that particular price point, only OnePlus Nord is the only competition for Vivo. So let's check out what are the differences between OnePlus Nord and Vivo V20, whether Vivo V20 could beat OnePlus Nord. Not yet. And one more thing guys, in this particular Vivo V series, I mean V20, the Vivo has been launched a new software based on Android 11, FunTouch OS based on Android 11, which was clearly optimized, and you have never seen that like that. I mean, simply the Vivo has changed its complete UI. It was looking more stockish like more Oxynoise like, but still it's Vivo. We are having lots of bloatware. Okay, let's go into the unboxing video and check out phone and what are the items in the box. Okay, let's get into this.
Hey guys, this is Vivo V20 unboxing, and here is the box from Vivo V20. The box is shiny, glossy and everything as usual from the Vivo company, and we can see that there are some specifications mentioned out there and Snapdragon 720G like that. And let's unboxing quick. Okay, after removing the plastic cover on it, here is the box and the contents. We can see that there is a lot of paperwork out there, and we got a case which was a clear case and SIM ejector tool, and okay, that's good. And this is a lot of paperwork, you can see that. And coming to the next, the case is good. It was so good, the clear case is nice. Okay, let's keep it aside, and now let's check what are the other things in the box. There's nothing in this. Okay, and here is our phone. The phone is here. It looks pretty good. Let's wrap up this plastic cover on it. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, now the phone looks glossy, awesome. Wow, it was really looking good. And the camera module, wow, it was placed perfect. I think this is perfect from Vivo. The design, the color, it was sunrise melody something. I don't remember that much big name. I don't like to remember those things. Actually the color is good, the gradients are good. And coming to slide, it is a it's a plastic frame, whatever. There is a USB Type-C speaker and headphone jack too. I really loved it. I got a headphone jack. Wow. And the buttons are placed here. The power button and volume blockers are placed here. Sorry guys, we got a focus issue here, don't worry, and it will be set on. And top there is a noise cancelling mic, and the phone is really slim and lightweight, not heavy. It was good. Let's boot it up and keep it aside. Now meanwhile, check the remaining contents in the box. Okay, I can see the charger here, and the charger is 33 watts flash charge from Vivo. It's a flash charge 2.0, and that's good. I have tested it, and it will be charging within 1 hour. There will be full charge. Okay, and there is a USB cable. Yeah, I can see that it was USB Type-C. That's good. Okay, the cable is too white. It was good. And coming to that, Vivo is offering earphones in that. Wow, that's good. That's good. It looks like Apple AirPods, but not. And some plastic case. Leave it aside, and let's check the phone. And here is the phone. Let's set it up. Okay, everything is going to be done. Come on. Okay guys, everything is done. The phone is loading, no worries. Actually the display looks quite impressive because as it's an AMOLED display, The display is awesome. This time, as I mentioned, the Vivo has been changed its UI. It was really looking like stockish experience, but still a lot of bloatware in that. It's a Vivo, we will have that bloatware. And the settings, it's look similar to Oxygen OS. Yeah, it looks like here we can see that the device Vivo V20 and everything. I like the display and the UI. Just checking the cameras out here, how it is, and that's good. And okay guys, you have seen the unboxing, right? The phone looks awesome. Actually the design, it was really good. I love the design, and there is a clear case. Let's put a case on it, and how it looks, let's check it out also. And the Google Assistant has been opened, okay. And even with the case, the clear case, it looks very good. I love the phone, the design especially.
The specifications of this Vivo V20 phone, the phone is coming with a chipset Snapdragon 720G. You know, this chipset is most popular in the mid-range segment, like under 20k segment. Snapdragon 720G is a popular, and Vivo is offering this particular chipset under 30k, like 27,000 triple and nearly 28,000. At 28,000 price point, I don't think its a price to performance ratio is not that good. Snapdragon 720G not acceptable at 28,000. Actually, we can see that at that price point we are getting Realme X3, which is offering Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. Or else, if you're not you're not good with Realme phones and you don't like Realme, you can go with OnePlus. You're getting Snapdragon 765 5G chipset out there, and it was outperforming every other chipset out there at that particular price point. So when compared with these, the price to performance ratio of Vivo V20 is not that good. So I'm not satisfied here. And second thing, the battery. The battery of Vivo V20 is 4000 mAh battery. Into the battery life, the 4000 mAh battery in this Vivo V20 is absolutely good. The optimizations done for the particular phone is really good, based on the chipset and the OS. The new OS and the new operating system in Vivo V20 is FunTouch OS based on Android 11, which was absolutely good and well optimized. So the battery life is very good, and the battery life is good for another reason, that the phone is coming with Super AMOLED display. The punchier colors, every part of a display and every edge of a display is lit equally. So there is no doubt about. You can see the deep blacks, bright punchier whites, everything is crystal clear and neat. So display is good, but the protection of the display, the Vivo haven't mentioned anything, so I'm not that clear about the protection. There is no Gorilla Glass out there, or there is no other specifically mentioned protection. So be careful if you're purchasing the particular mobile. You should be having some cases or tampers on the particular device. And display is good. Battery life, 4000 mAh battery life. It was coming with the 33 watts fast charger. Within 1 hour, full charge, done. 33 watts flash charge. What I said, 1 hour full charge. It's abundantly enough. No need, nothing more like 120 watts fast charger, 65 watts fast charger. We don't need that. 33 watts is super enough. And as I mentioned, chipset is Snapdragon 720G. Price to performance not good, but it can handle most of the games in a very eased way. When we shouldn't be comparing that particular chipset with Snapdragon 765 or Snapdragon 855 or 855 plus, but at its range, it's a good chipset, no problem for that. And now coming to the camera department, here Vivo has did a great job. There is a 64 megapixel primary camera out there back. One is monochrome and another one is ultra wide. So the monochrome is helpful while you're like a video vlogger and everything. The monochrome is very helpful, and 64 megapixel primary sensor, which takes a really good images. I really loved it. And if you compare this particularly with that particular price point of OnePlus Nord at a price of 27,000, still OnePlus Nord's night mode and even many other features of OnePlus Nord are good when compared with the Vivo V20, because here the restriction is chipset. The chipset cannot go further and cannot make a higher res videos like 4K 60 fps, which cannot be done with the particular Snapdragon 720G. There is a restriction. Even though OnePlus Nord is not providing 4K 60 fps, but there is a difference. If the chipset is good, automatically the camera specifications also will be good, because the chipset supports high-res camera features, automatically we are having a lot of features. But still, Vivo is making every possible output. Coming to pictures, okay, it's fine. When coming to videos, it's good. Actually, it's very good. Vivo is offering a lot of video options for bloggers and vloggers. This particular device can help you a lot. Having lots of video features, like we can record both selfie and back camera video at the same time. If you're vlogging, it's very helpful. And next thing, guys, very simple thing. I never expected Vivo would go like this with this. It's in a competition when compared with the previous devices. Vivo V19, it was at 30,000 price range, and now there is a price cut for the upgraded version. Like Vivo V20 is an upgrade over Vivo V19, but still it was offering at 27,000. Yes, Vivo is coming into the competition, like price segment competition, because it was giving a competition to the devices like OnePlus Nord. It's one of the best out under 30k. Still, Vivo is a competition out there when coming with the camera features and everything. And coming to the camera features, I haven't mentioned that thing. It was front is a 44 megapixel camera, which is having a eye focus, eye tracking, which was very good. The video, if you're making a videos, the thing really helps, and you will be in the focus and remaining background will be in the out focused, and whatever you need you can record it with that. And many other features, I can't explain that many features in this particular video. So the features are absolutely good. Coming to the cameras, Vivo and Oppo, these devices make cameras very perfect, so no doubt in that. And one more thing, guys, I just need to mention here, never expect price to performance in this Vivo V series. Okay, so we shouldn't be expecting that from this device. If you're a normal user, go with this device. If you're a camera user, go with this device. But if you are a person, you need a performance for the price, never go for this device. It will not satisfy you. And battery life, you're asking, okay, screen on time is 6 to 7 hours, no problem, because the optimizations of the software is very good. And the final thing, Vivo fans, the past history of Vivo has lots of complaints in the software. Right now, Vivo fans, you got a great software, have a feast. Okay, so that's it, guys. Coming to this Vivo V20, actually the phone is good. The design perspective, the body is a polycarbonate build. It was not that great. It was not aluminum frame, it's a plastic frame. Not a problem, not an issue. Definitely we'll use a case for it, carbon fiber case, it will be good for that. But still, the design is good. The way the color variant it was giving, it was good. The phone is very sleek and slim. I liked it, and everything is good, but there is no protection that Vivo has been mentioned. Price cuts, design is good, but still the protections are missing. It happens with the phones like Vivo, the Vivo V series phones. There are good phones, okay, we should accept it, because the price has been cutting, so production is cut. The price has been cutting, the performance is cut. Done. Okay, guys, still you like this phone, go ahead and buy it. It will satisfy your day-to-day life needs, nothing more than that. If you are not a normal user, you're a person like me using a phone for utmost performance, never go with Vivo V20. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel until now, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, is there any other thing? Thank you so much, guys. That's it. Thank you so much.